Vlog number 1. We're going to be doing cereal review. First thing we're going to be doing is Fruit Loops with marshmallows. So let's get right into it. First thing I'm going to say about the cereal, definitely looks like Fruit Loops, okay? Next thing I'm going to say, I don't know what the colors, but it's kind of hard to tell, but it kind of looks like there's not very many marshmallows. Let's go with the first bite. I gotta say, it tastes a lot like Fruit Loops, but not very marshmallowy. Second bite. I think I got a little bit more marshmallow in that one. Definitely very tasty. Definitely a good snack to eat, just you're hungry and you don't really want to make anything. But I guess that's what cereal is. Now, I'm just going to eat a couple bites and tell you what my rating is. On a scale of cereals, definitely one of the top, definitely childhood favorite. I'm gonna go 3.85 on the cereal scale. Okay, that's up there out of 5. I think I already said that, but out of 5, it's pretty good cereal. I don't know if I'll ever meet a 5 cereal. Something I forgot to mention was the mouthfeel. At the start, it was kind of strange because half of them were softer and the other half were like hard because they were on the surface. But about halfway through, they all kind of got like the same consistency. It was really good. But near the end, they kind of got soggy, so they're kind of a quick soggy type cereal. Not as bad as Crave. Crave, they get soggy so fast. But yeah. Milk taste. Definitely better than normal milk. But I wouldn't say it's a good cereal milk. Usually a cereal, very sugary milk. And it kind of just tasted like it. I felt like a little bit of the marshmallowy flavor kind of stayed in there a little bit, but I don't know. I mean, it's an okay milk taste. We're going to be diving straight into the next part of the review, and there are people out there who don't like milk, and so they just gotta go. They're gonna go dry. So we're gonna do a chip taste test, and first we're gonna start off with this green marshmallow. Oh, that is weird. First thing, nothing like the any other cereal marshmallow that you're gonna get. They're very hard, like almost like they're stale. Oh, but as you start to chew on it, at the very end, right when you're about to swallow it, they dissolve in your mouth, which is strange. But I kind of feel like a Jolly Rancher, how they get stuck in your teeth, kind of for a second. So, marshmallow chip. The aftertaste of the marshmallow is really good. It's probably the best part of the marshmallows is the aftertaste dry. And then let's go on to the O's, the Fruit Loops. Let's start with the green one, like we did the marshmallows. Crunchy, as you'd expect. And they're really puffy, like kind of hard, but they're really good. I could recommend these as a chip cereal if you're gonna go for dry, but they don't pack a lot of flavor. So if you're kind of just looking like, it's kind of like the potato chip, like no flavor, just slightly salted or lightly salted even potato chip version of this. That's what that would be. So I mean, overall, I might prefer just normal Fruit Loops, but you can never go wrong with a little bit of marshmallow. If you got young kids, maybe, I don't know, you might like it. They might like it, but they're pretty good still. Chip taste, dry mouthfeel. It's got to be a. Hold on, let me get a couple marshmallows and all. That was the combo taste. Combo taste, very good. I didn't even think about that. Let's go just the rest of these. I don't know if there's any marshmallows. They smell great. The mouthfeel, definitely a lot better than with milk. So, I'd say, if you're looking to try these, and you're kind of like either way, with or without milk, I'd eat them without milk, because milk, I don't know, but if you prefer them with milk, definitely go with the milk. But mouthfeel, gotta be a dry is higher end, but the taste, I kind of prefer it with milk, the taste, but the mouthfeel is better without milk. So I'm gonna go 3.95 on the dry. That was my review of Fruit Loops with marshmallows.